What's up, Guru Nation? Welcome back to the clinicaltrialsguru.com. So, I didn't get a chance to do a video today in the office, so I'm doing one at home because I got a really good question. So, I've been busy all day with students, with clients, with consulting, like all that kind of stuff, running the sites. So, I didn't have a chance. I got busy at work, but I didn't want to forget about this question because it's a good one. So, and it's one that many of you may be experiencing right now, or you may be experiencing this issue right now. So it is, if you're a brand new study coordinator that just got hired at a research clinic, what should you do? And so this will apply for obviously any study coordinators out there. It will also apply for any research sites that may be a little new to research themselves and have just hired a study coordinator that's also new to research. So the first thing you want to make sure they need to have these three things done: GCP training, IATA training if they're going to be shipping biological substances, and NIH, protecting human research subjects. Now, all three of these links can be found for free on this cool website called Google. Right? So I don't know if you heard about it. Check it out. Get those three trainings. They're free. You don't need to pay for those. Yes, you can pay for it, but why if you can get it for free? If you really have a hard time finding it, email me, Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com, or better yet, hit me up on social media. All right? I like Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll hook you up with those links. So, first thing, after you do those trainings, if you're a new coordinator, are you assigned to a protocol? Which one are you? Are you the lead coordinator? Are you a backup coordinator? Are you a research assistant? Go look in the delegation of duties log in the regulatory binder. Make sure your name's on there. If not, you got to write your name on there, sign, have the PI delegate duties for you. So those are numerically coded on the sheet. So just look on the bottom of the sheet. You'll see some numbers and then some corresponding duties associated with each number. Look at previous coordinators and what duties they had. That's probably the duties you're going to have. So delegation duties log, very important. Make sure you're on there. You can't do anything with the study until you have that. Then there should be a training log somewhere in the reg binder. Protocol training log, site training log. Not only do you want to put your GCP, NIH, and IATA trainings that you just did in there, but you want to also have the PI train you on the protocol, and you want that documented. So find some time, have the PI sit down with you, train you on the protocol, document it, even a handwritten note on your company letterhead that the PI trained you, and then have the PI sign and date it. Put that in the reg binder, fill out the training log or the protocol training log, whatever. These logs are all called different things by different CROs, but the concept is the same. There's a protocol training log somewhere in there. Then make sure your CV is updated with the site address on the top, your new site email address on there, sign and date it, file that in the reg binder. Now, and you may or may not have to be on the 1572. Increasingly so, sponsors have been wanting study coordinators on the 1572. And if that is the case, then you're also going to need to sign a financial disclosure agreement. So there could be a lot more regulatory stuff if you need to be on the 1572. So check with your monitor on that. Now so that's regulatory. Now to the study operations. So obviously learn the protocol. Learn what it is you need to do. What I would do, the cliff notes, and I've done videos on this before, the cliff notes for every protocol is the schedule of assessments. So look at the schedule of assessments, learn that, tape it on your wall in your office so you always have it there. Also put the inclusion-exclusion criteria there on your desk or on your wall. Those are probably the most important things you need. Then make sure you have access to all the stuff like EDC. Make sure you have access to EDC. You're going to have to do training for that. Make sure you have access to the IVRS if you're going to be dispensing or enrolling or randomizing subjects. Your monitor can give you access and training to those things, and you may need those ASAP. So make sure that they get those to you as soon as possible, or else you can't. If you're the only coordinator, you won't be able to enter any data, answer any queries, or screen or randomize any subjects or assign drug to any subjects if you don't have access to those things. Okay, so those are the most important things I think Obviously, that's overly simplified, but we're trying to keep this around 5 minutes. Thanks, Guru Nation. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.